Creating presentations, summaries, and study notes used to take hours. But what if you could turn your ideas into slides instantly with AI? Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's real, and it's called Napkin AI. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to use Napkin AI to turn messy thoughts into professional looking presentations. And of course, you don't need any design skills and without wasting time. Whether you're a student, a creator, or a busy professional, this 10-minute guide will help you go from idea to finished deck faster than ever. First thing you want to do is open any browser you have. I'm going to use Microsoft Edge and head over to napkin.ai. This is where you will land. Don't worry, it's really easy to use and simple. How it works is basically you import or paste your text and AI will do its work for you. You can even generate images and icons based on your text, and you can customize it however you want. Click on this button, Get Napkin Free, and you will be redirected to this page where you can sign up with Google or sign up with your email. I'm going to sign up with my email, and if you do not have an account, press on sign up and enter your credentials. So after creating an account, Napkin AI will ask you a few questions to optimize it for you. How are you planning to use Napkin for work? Next, how big is your company? Just me. Next, what kind of work do you do? Design. Next, where are you planning to use your napkin visuals, presentations, and teaching materials? Next, how did you hear about us? A friend told me. Next, and that's it, done. Let's create our first napkin. Create my first napkin, press on this button. And here you will have two options. Either you already have a text, let's say your teacher gave you an essay over Roman Empire, or you can let AI generate it for you. Let's generate text using AI. Write a prompt to generate text context. Let's say ancient Rome. This sounds pretty interesting, and press on continue. Napkin works best when you give it ideas in plain language. Just type out your thoughts, key points, or even a rough outline. Within seconds, here you will have a document. Wow. You can even generate visuals. Let me press on this, generate visual, and within seconds, it will create an image for me based on this paragraph. Here you'll have a lot of options to choose from. We're going to choose this one, and you can even customize however you want, like your styles. I'm going to choose this one. This one looks very good. You can change the style later if you're not satisfied. Let's say I'm not satisfied with this one. Let me pick this one. You can even change the aspect ratio and even the background color. Let's say I want to have the brightness at light. You can even download this image as a PNG, SVG, PDF, or PPT. So you can use it in your PowerPoint presentations after you download this image. You can even select text you want to generate image of. I want to generate an image of, let's say till here, and press on this power button, and within seconds it will generate an best image for you. Let's wait, and there you have it, a perfect image just for this, made for this specific document. I really like this one. Let's choose this one, and the styles, I want to pick this one. You can even add a sketch to your document. Let's say you want to highlight that legacy is really important. You can draw with your hand, with your mouse, on iPad, or just let it be like this. You can even add images from your desktop PC to even have more content on this document. Or you can even spark search and add icons. Like let's say I want to add a cat, a dog. Let's first add a dog, and I want to place it here. I want to add a cat. There you have it. You can even label stuff and even add comments, so when you're reading the document later, you know what's important and what's not. Let's say this is the main part, and comment. This is really helpful. if you're not satisfied how it looks, you can even change the color, like from light to dark. I personally prefer the light version. And when you're ready and you're feeling satisfied, you can even share it with your friends just by typing your email, and you can uh, choose what he or she can do it with your shared document. And if you're ready to just download it, just click on download PDF and you will have it in your PC. On your left hand side, you will have a library where you will see all your created napkins, just like ChatGPT history. This is the same. And you can even create more napkins if you want. Blank napkin, import from file, and even a draft with AI. Did I miss something? No, it was really that simple to use. And if you're not satisfied with your icons, you can even change them. You can even change the thickness of these little icons. You can replace them with whatever you want, and you can also change the color. So yeah, and if you're not satisfied with what you did, you can just undo it simply and everything will be set to normal. Yeah, that's basically it. Pro tip, better your input, the better the output. Try to write your thoughts as if you're explaining it them to a friend. So there you go, that's how you to use Napkin AI to create stunning presentations effortlessly. If you found this helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments what you would like to create with Napkin AI. And if you want more AI tool explained simply, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.